guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be recreating this look, so if you're interested in knowing how I got it, then just please keep watching. I am now starting with my Anastasia Prism Palette. I am using the color Eden as my transition color. I am making sure that the color is very well blended because I really don't like any harsh lines on my looks. I am now putting Saturn on my crease. I'm going to make sure to blend that upwards, but just a little bit because I really want that transition color to kind of show. I am now using Eternal on my lid. I am doing this as a half cut crease but without cutting the crease with concealer. The reason I did this is because I don't want the look to be so precise. I kind of wanted it to blend evenly into the shadow that I use for my crease and my transition, but of course it's optional. I am now going under my under eye with the same colors I used on my crease and transition. I'm using my Lina Beauty lashes in Pure Innocence. I know the video was upside down, or my lashes were upside down in the video, so please don't mind that. I will put a discount code for these lashes in the description down below. They have a lot of lashes and highlighters, so I recommend y'all check them out. For my lips, I am using the Melted Matte by Too Faced in the color Cool Glow. I am topping off my lipstick with a gloss just to make my lips a little glossy because I like the way it looks. This is the final look, and as always, if y'all liked it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!